हांव एंथनी डिसिल्वा फ्रॉम आंबेली. आज 19 तारीख ऑगस्टाची 2022. हांवें हालींच आयकलां चीफ मिनिस्टर बाब दोतोर सावंत म्हणटा खंय साऊथ गोवाचे सीट तेज्या बोर्डसान आसा म्हणून. सॅडली मिस्टेकन. ही तुजी स्वप्नां. तुका एकूच सांगता हांव, पेन, पेपर अँड पीपल्स पॉवर विल सी दॅट तूं साऊथ गोवा MP सीटाच्या सामकारान बसून येवचो ना. तूं कितलेय तजवीज कर. And even if you think that you can divide and win, just like some of the assembly seat, you are sadly mistaken. We are all going to be in one tune. Even if we are divided by parties, we will see that you will not get this South Goa seat unless and until you get solutions and sort out the matters which are very close to the Goan people's hearts. It is going to cut across all the religion and castes. For example, you need to get rid of many issues, but I will say one issue is clearly defined. It is a cut case of open and shut of the illegal structure at Old Goa, which is legally also it is totally has been clarified by your own central government that it is in the protected area. So don't delay. Don't wait for 2024. Otherwise you may even lose the North Goa seat. So please get this exercise done immediately. And once again tuka sangta, please remember that pen, paper and people's power is going to slice your South Goa MP seat even with your muscle power and money power. So आनीक एक फावटी हांव हात जोडून रिक्वेस्ट करता प्रमोद बाब, प्लीज हेजेर लक्ष घाल आनी येता त्या 3 म्हयन्यां भितर और 4 म्हयन्यां भितर और 6 म्हयन्यां भितर तो इल्लीगल स्ट्रक्चर तो इल्लीगलूच आसा. त्या कोर्टाचें नांव सांगून तूं आमकां दिशाभूल करनाका. Because saying it is sub judice matter in the court will not help you for the Lok Sabha elections. कित्याक तुमचे स्वताचे सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटाकडच्यान डॉक्युमेंट पासून आयल्या that area is a protected area where the bungalow is come up. So देव बरें करूं. Thank you very much.